Hey guys, Dino with DinoRC, and it's mail day. Oh, look at that bling. Now that right there is a big old box. Let's see what we got in here. Let me open this up. It's gonna take just a second to find the thing. Got my trusty case double X knife here. Let me get her opened up here. Let's see exactly what we got inside this thing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What could be in this box? What could be in this box? I'm telling you what, let's see. Let me get her pulled out here. And we'll see what we got in here. We got some parts here. Let me open this box a little bit more. We got boxes on top of boxes put together here. This is amazing. See what we got here. Now let's pull this out. Nice and bubble wrapped up. Oh, let me show you this one. What is this? What does this go to? Hold on just a second. What in the world could this be? Let me just show you when you put it together what it is. Oh, wow. It's a SCX plow. What could this big thing fit? I bet it's something in this box. I bet it is something in this box. Let's take a look here. See if I can get it out. There's one tire. Let's see what this is. All wrapped up real nice. Oh, here's part of the frame and bumper mount. Mount a servo up to it. This is some more of the frame here. Let's take a look, see. For you all that don't know, this is the Rick's Plows. Plow King himself for the SCX6. Oh, look at that bling. Looks like it's got two brand new 422 HD reef servos installed on it. Ready to be mounted up. Ready to push some snow or sand or whatever else we want. Let's see what this big thing is. Oh, wow. It come with the Beast 1000 servo winch. That's what I'm talking about. Big old servo winch. I don't know if anybody else makes one that big. That's to lift that big old plow. Let's see what we got. I want to show y'all this thing. It's been modified. I have another SCX6. I have another SCX6 plow. There's the tires. We got 4 tires right there. Now, let's see if we can slide this thing out and get a look-see at it. There's more parts in here. Here's some cases for the servos. We got a controller. Something else I dropped out of there. I don't know what it is yet. These SCX6s are beautiful. I'm telling you what's the truth now. Get this stuff moved back before I drop it. Good night. Look at that plane. This is a SCX6 and it's had the top removed on it. And cage in there. Got the driver. Look at that. It kind of looks like Dino with the cowboy hat on. This thing's pretty cool. Anyhow, it's green. It's Dino green. Well, it's green anyway. Anyhow, I've got the honcho. Now we got one of these Jeeps. It's been modified, and we're going to have this baby on the trail. And me and my grandson both now have one that we can run. I've got more grandbabies, so I'm going to have more SCX6s. I'm just saying. Anyhow, we'll get this thing put together and get it shown off. I am probably going to sell at least one of the plows. Probably I'm going to sell that one there because the other one is Dino Green. So I'll probably keep it. So if you're in the market for a SCX6 plow that is top quality, then message me on Facebook, or you can message me on YouTube or whatever, and we'll see what we can do to help you out there. They're not very easy to get. He only made a handful of them. And I've also got one coming for a raminator. That's what I'm talking about. Anyhow, I want to thank you all. We're going to see you guys on the rocks.